Hey guys, welcome back to the Social Seed. Let's get into this. So my mom and I came up with this design challenge. It should be fun, but also stressful. She can challenge me at any time. This time it was right after I set up a tailgate. So I have to restyle an older party I designed. I cannot buy any new materials or pre-sketch the design, and I cannot look into the storage bin prior to filming. It was a good idea, maybe not. Here are some pictures of the party I'm going to recreate. It was an awesome fall party. Thank you to our event photographer Peyton Presswood for taking these gorgeous pictures. First DIY are the hanging styrofoam balls. All you do is paint the balls various colors and string the fishing line on a really small crochet needle. Poke the needle through the ball and add hot glue at the end and you're done. One of my favorite DIYs for this party were the table runners. I purchased the doilies from the Dollar Tree and tea-dyed them. Instead of sewing them, I overlapped them and added hot glue to attach them at each end. Next, I added my place settings, and to tell you the truth, they match pretty well. You guys know how much I love Trader Joe's flowers. This time I had to go to Publix, and that was a mistake I will never make again. You pay more for less, and we don't have time for that at all. Next, I'm creating another runner with fake flowers from the Dollar Tree. Just pop them off their stems, and they'll be ready to go. Our final DIY for this party are the leaf picture frames. They are so adorable and easy to make. I bought leaves and the frames from the Dollar Tree, and all you do is peel the leaves from their stem and hot glue them to the frame. Here's my final reveal of the table. For this to be my first challenge, I'm not mad at it. I'm excited to recreate some past parties for you guys. I think it'll be fun walking down memory lane. Special announcement, I am partnering with Kristen from Trader Joe's for a free virtual seasonal cocktail and food pairing class on December the 4th. Check below for more details and the link to register. Also, on my social media pages starting Monday, I will be doing giveaways for the exchange. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the button below, and I will see you after Thanksgiving.